that why don't you make some educational channel or talk to somebody, make an education channel, because we were also helping broadcasters in content and also technology. So, but it didn't happen. So we left that idea. But what happened that most of you must have witnessed that बहुत बच्चे कोटा जाते हैं पढ़ने के लिए. They go to Kota and they learn. So I also heard this, but कभी ऐसा हुआ नहीं. My son one day called me from Jaipur. He is past 11, and he said कि मैं जयपुर चला गया और मैं वहाँ पढ़ूंगा. So it happened with me that मेरा बेटा भी चला गया from me like Kota to Jaipur because he found better teachers there or some environment or something, and he just called up. So I had to send the fees by the draft and all that I made. So slowly it dawned to me that something is missing, and that missing thing made me come back to Professor Pant's idea that every teacher should have a broadcasting channel. अगर वो अच्छा टीचर है कहीं भी है तो उसके लेसन हम सुन सकें और देख सकें. But technology is inhibiting that speed. All those things are barriers. So we started working, and for that working I went to Hong Kong, China, and visited all the people who are manufacturing tablets. And I went during the time where Akash was being launched. So I told them, and they knew about Akash, but they were smiling and they were accepting me because they were making cheaper tablets than Akash. So it was, and they had dissecting the whole thing. There were over 2,000 manufacturers of tablets in Hong Kong, the largest fair of electronics. And everybody knows the tablet over there, and they are just waiting कि India से कब order आ जाए. So, but they dissected the whole thing, and I could see. They showed me that it was like जब हम शादियों में जाते हैं तो एक तवा होता है, you put the vegetables, ये डालो, ये डालो, ये डालो. So you can put $2 for Wi-Fi, better Wi-Fi $5, and then for 3G $50, and you could make your own tablet and give them an order, MOQ. So I learned the term MOQ, minimum order you have to give. तो 5,000 टैबलेट में आपको $30 में हो जाता है. मेरे साथ कोई जर्नलिस्ट जाता तो बता देता कितने डॉलर का स्कैम हो रहा है, होने वाला है इंडिया में. But I came back and I realized that so we started working for this about 6 months back, and Aditya is working with me on this, and we have now come to a stage where we can share files. A teacher can share files and scribble while giving lectures, and this is on live, and you can have a group chat, and you can have at least 50 people in a teacher's class, and that is just free. So that we want to aim at, that we want to give this technology free, and people start using it, or teacher kahin bhi ho. Because my son comes back every Saturday, Sunday, because some commerce teacher over here, he is well reputed and renowned, so his classes he takes, and then he goes back. So every Saturday, Sunday, I pay for the train tickets, and क्योंकि मैं बाप हूँ तो AC का टिकट देता हूँ, उससे और बजट हो जाता है, बढ़ जाता है. So now, if this is on tab, and if you are a teacher somewhere, and you want to study anytime, so you can have a group, and you can start. And this can be a viral effect. Like we made this game, it is called Angry Anna. During the Anna agitation, we made this game called Angry Anna. It has become the largest playing game. It became a viral like Golaberry, and it was being played all over the world. Lakhs and lakhs of people have played it. We just made it because we felt we can't go there. So let us make one game, and one night we made that game. And we have been on the cover of CNN or homepage and BBC and interviews and everything.